In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at articles in Spanish. So when we think of articles, we think of a, for example, in English, a boy, a girl, a cat, a dog. Or we think of the in English, the boy, the girl, the cat, the dog. In Spanish, we have 4 ways to say a and 4 ways to say the. And you think, why are there so many ways? The reason is, and what we learned in our last tutorial, all nouns are either masculine or feminine. So if your noun is masculine, then you have to use a masculine form of the article. And if your noun is feminine, you would use a feminine form. Likewise, if your noun is plural, you would have to use a plural form. So again, for a in English, we have the options un, una, unos, and unas. And again, it's according to the noun and the gender. Or for the, we have el, la, los, or las. And again, that's according to the noun. So let's take a look here. For example, here we go. Un vestido. Vestido is a dress. The word dress is masculine. You say, that's interesting. Again, there's no rhyme or reason for a gender of a noun. And if you don't know the gender of a noun, look it up in a Spanish dictionary. So we have un vestido, which means a dress. But if you wanted to say dresses, you would have to say unos vestidos. For example, some dresses. Or for a shirt, it's una camisa. But if you want to say some shirts, you would have to say unas camisas. Likewise, if you want to say the dress, it would be el vestido. If you want to say the dresses, it would be los vestidos, and so forth. So again, if you want to say a dress, un vestido, the dress, el vestido. And for camisa, a shirt, una camisa, and the shirt would be la camisa. And again, if it's plural, you would add an S.